Hello friends, I am Dattatreya Veer, Shiv Parvati Madhyamik Vidyalaya Vagoli. Let's study his first flight. His first flight. 10th class lesson. Let's study his first flight 10th class lesson. His first flight. Form group of 5. 1 minute, sorry. His first flight. From group of 5, remember your past day and share with your best memories of your first day at school or your first attempt at cooking. What role did your parents, sibling play to help out of overcome your fear? Just remember your first day of school and share your ideas. Share your ideas for your class when you are learning the first time to cooking, or how do you learn and how to overcome it. The first beginning of learning anything, we must be try hard. Okay, this is the chatting hour. Discuss and answer the following questions. Were there any situation when you got afraid? When first I was swimming, the first day of swimming, I was very afraid. I was run away by that well. So it is my experience. How do you react if you had to travel alone? Sometimes when my parents are telling me about travel alone, I reject or I ignore about this alonely. I'm afraid. How do you react if you had to stay alone at home? Sometimes my parents are going outside, and if I'm alone, sometimes I bit afraid when I was a child. What would you do if you are lost in a new city? Sometimes I'm afraid of when I lost the city and the way whole day we are wandering. Okay, these are chatting our questions. Now line will learn his first flight. त्याची पहिली भरारी, त्याची पहिली झेप. His first flight. The young seagull was alone on his ledge. His two brothers and sisters were flown away. The day before, he had been afraid to fly with them. Somehow, when he had taken a little link of the ledge and attempted to flap his wings, he became afraid. तो छोटा सीगुल पक्षी जो होता तो खडकाच्या एका टोकावर बसलेला होता. त्याची सर्व भावंड भरारी घेत होती, मात्र हा घाबरलेला होता. He is afraid. The great expanse of sea stretched down beneath, and it was such a long way down. Miles down, he felt certain that his wings could never support him. त्याचा आत्मविश्वास नव्हता, त्याला खात्री नव्हती की आपले पंख आपल्याला साथ देतील. त्याची भावंड छोटी पंख असतानाही ती उडालेली असते, भरारी घेतलेली असते. त्याच्या मनामध्ये मात्र आत्मविश्वास नव्हता. So he bent his head and ran away back to the little hole under the ledge where he slept at night. रात्रीच्या वेळेस जिथं झोपत असतो त्या बिळामध्ये तो जातो आणि जाऊन बसतो. त्याला भीती वाटत होती, त्याचे भावंड उडून गेले होते, भरारी घेतली होती त्यांनी. त्याची इच्छा असूनही तो उडू शकत नव्हता. आत्मविश्वास कमी होता. आपल्या बिळाकडे जाऊन तो बसला. त्याचे आई वडील हे सर्व दृश्य पाहत होते. And it was such long day. Even when of each of his, even when each of his brothers and his little sisters, whose wings were far shorter than his own, ran to the brink, flapped their wings and flew away. He failed to muster up courage to take that flung which appeared to him so desperate. तो त्याचे लांब पंख असूनही त्याचा विश्वास नव्हता स्वतःच्या ह्याच्यावर आणि छोटे पंख असणारे भावंड उडून गेले असतात. His father and mother had come around calling him shrilly up, greeting him, threatening to let him drown. On his unless he flew away, but for the life of him he could not move. त्याचे आई वडील मात्र शांत त्याला सांगत होते, कर्कश आवाज करून सांगत होते, उड्डाण केले नाही तर उपाशी राहावं लागल, तुला इथं अन्न मिळणार नाही, चल लवकर भरारी घे. That was 24 hours ago, since nobody had come near to him. Before all day long, he had watched his parents flying about his brothers and sisters, perfecting them in the art of flight, teaching them how to skim the waves and how to dive for fish. त्याची भावंड बहीण आणि भाऊ मात्र भरारी घेत होते. त्याचे आई वडील त्यांना शिकवत होते कसा मासा पकडावा, कसं भरारी घ्यावी, कसं उड्डाण घ्यावं. He had in act seen his older brother catch his fish tearing and tear. He is standing on rock while his parents circle around raising a proud cackle. And all the morning the whole family had walked about on the big plateau midway down the opposite cliff, taunting him for his cowardice. त्याच्या भित्रेपणावर, त्याच्या भीतीवर सगळे मात्र हसत होते, कारण तो भरारी घेऊ शकत नव्हता. 24 तास उलटले, त्याच्याजवळ कोणी आलेलं नव्हतं. भावंडांना शाबासकी मिळाली होती, कारण ते मासे पकडत होते. सर्वजण या छोट्या सीगुलला मात्र हसत होते, कारण हा समुद्र पक्षी धाडस करत नव्हता. Blazing on his ledge that faced the south, he felt the heat because he had not eaten since the previous nightfall. त्यानं अगोदरच्या दिवसामध्ये 24 तास उलटले, तो पाशी होता, त्याला उष्णता जास्त जाणवत होती, ऊन पडलेलं होतं. He stepped slowly out to the brink of the ledge and standing on leg with other leg hidden under his wing, he closed one eye, then after pretending to falling asleep, still they took no. तो नाटक करत होता, प्रिटेंडिंग करत होता. सूर्य वरती वरती आलेला तो पाशी असलेला हा ऊन लागत होतं, डुलक्या घेणारे भावंड तो पाहत होता आणि हा पण नाटक करत, आपल्याला कोणीतरी मासा आणेल आणि आपल्याला खाऊ घालेल, मात्र याला कोणीही आणून देत नव्हतं मासा. Notice often he saw his two brothers and his sisters lying on the ledge with their heads sunk into their necks. His father was peeping into his white bag. त्याची भावंड मासे पकडत डुलक्या घेत होती पलीकडल्या तीरावर. त्याची आई मात्र याच्याकडे लक्ष ठेवून होती. त्याचे वडील जे असतात ते आपले पीस नीटनेटकेपणाने करत होते. Only his mother was looking at him. त्याची आई फक्त याच्याकडे लक्ष देऊन होती. She was standing on a little high hump on the plateau, her white breast thrust forward. Now and again she tore at piece of fish that lay at her feet, and then scraped each side of her bag on the rock. तिनं त्या खडकावरून एक मासेचा तुकडा घेतला होता. त्याला वाटत होतं की आपल्याला कुणीतरी आपल्या तोंडात घालेल, आपल्याला आई आपल्याला आणून देईल, मात्र ती इच्छा व्यर्थ जात होती. गा 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 अन्नासाठी आईकडे त्यानं विनवणी केली होती. ती पण गाव कॉल उपहासानं ती पण ओरडत होती. इथं पुढे आपल्याला आहे. The sight of the food mattered him, how he loved to tear food that was scraping his back, and now again to eat a ga ga ga. तो ओरडत होता गा 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 असं करून. त्याला खूप आवडायचे मासे आणि आज त्याला उपाशी राहावं लागलं होतं. 24 तास झाले होते. He cried, begging her to bring him some food. Ga ga ho, she screamed back joyously, but he kept calling plaintively, and after a minute or so he uttered a joyful scream. His mother had picked up a piece of the fish and was lying across to him. He leaned out eagerly, tapping the rock with his feet, trying to get nearer to to her as she flew across. But when she was just opposite to him, she halted her wings motionless, the piece of fish in her beak almost within reach of his beak. तो अन्नासाठी गा 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 अन्नासाठी तो विनवणी करत होता, पण गाव कॉल उपवासाला ती ओरडत होती. आई मासा घेऊन आपल्याला देईल असं त्याला वाटत होतं, त्याला तो मासा मिळाला नाही. तिनं भरारी घेतली आणि सगळे भावंड्याला त्याला हसत असतात. He waited a moment in surprise, wondering she did not know come with the matter of hues. He divided the fish with loud scream, outward and downward into the space. भावंडे आई वडील सगळे आकाशात झेपावलेले असतात आणि यानं ही आनंदानं भरारी घेतली. आज प्रथमच त्यानं ही हिज फर्स्ट फ्लाइट, त्यानं पहिल्यांदाच ही भरारी घेतलेली असते. तो आकाशामध्ये झेपावला, तो पाशी होता. He could not hear nothing, but it only lasted a minute. The next moment he left, his wings spread outward. त्यानं ती पंख पसरवले आणि त्यानं भरारी घेतली. The wind rushed against his breast, whether then under his stomach and against his wings. He could feel the tips of his wings cutting through the air. He was not falling headlong now. He was just soaring gradually downwards, upward. तो वरती खाली येऊन त्यानं पंख पसरवले आणि त्यानं तो भरारी घेऊ लागला. प्रचंड आत्मविश्वास, जिद्द आणि धाडसानं त्यानं हवेमध्ये भरारी घेतली. आपल्याला उडता येत नव्हतं, तो विसरला. He was no longer afraid. त्याला भीती वाटत नव्हती. He just felt a bit dizzy. Then he flapped his wings once. He soared up. Ga 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 ga. His mother swooped past him, her wings making a loud noise. त्याच्या आईनेही त्याला उत्तेजित केला, त्याला आत्मविश्वास दिला. आरोळी देत तिनं भरारी घेतली, कर्कश आरोळी देत. He answered with another scream. Then his father flew over his screaming. त्याचे वडील गिरक्या घेत, त्याची भावंड. He saw his two brothers and his sisters flying around him, curveting and banking and soaring and climbing. त्याच्या आपल्या कसरती करामती दाखवत त्याचे भावंड, त्याचे आई वडील त्याच्या भोवती गिरक्या घेत होते, कर्कश आरोळ्या देत होते. Oh, very good, Seagull. Then he completely forgot that he had not been able to fly, and commanded himself to dive and soar and curve, shrieking shrilly. त्यानं विसरून गेला, आपल्याला भरारीच येत नव्हती असं तो विसरून गेला. त्यानं भरारी घेतली होती, प्रचंड सी भरारी. सीगुल पक्षी आपण पाहतो, समुद्र पक्षी. He was near the sea now. ते समुद्र अगदी जवळ होता. प्रचंड अथांग असा पसरलेला समुद्र. Flying straight over it, facing straight out over the ocean, he saw a vast green sea beneath him. त्यांना प्रचंड पसरलेला महाकाय समुद्र पाहिला, with little reaches moving over it, and he turned his big sideway and cawed amusedly. त्यांना ते प्रचंड पसरलेला आणि त्याला पलीकडे जे हिरवेगार असं भूपृष्ठ त्याला दिसलं, तो उतरला आणि आवाज करत तो तिथं गेला. His parents and his brother and sister landed on his green flooring ahead of him. प्रचंड हिरवेगार भूपृष्ठावर ते सगळे उतरलेले होते. हाही उतरला पहिल्यांदाच. They were beckoning to him. त्याला खुणावत होते, calling shrilly. त्याला कर्कशपणे ओरडावत होते, उतर तू तिथं. He dropped his legs to stand on the green sea. त्यानं आपले हिरव्यागार पसरलेल्या समुद्रावर आपले पाय असे खाली सोडले. त्याला भीती वाटत होती पडण्याची. His legs sank into heat. He screamed with fright and attempted to rise again, flapping his wings. तो पंख पसरवत होता. But he was tired and weak with his hunger, and he could not rise, exhausted by the strange exercise. तो खूप थकला होता, त्याला अन्न मिळालं नव्हतं आणि त्याला आपण बुडतो की काय असं भीती वाटत होती. His feet sank into the green sea, and then his belly touched. तो खाली सावकाश उतरला, पाय खाली जमिनीवर सोडले आणि त्याची जी पंख होते ते अगदी त्याची छाती जी होती ती पाण्याला स्पर्श करू लागली आणि तो पोहू लागला. Floating was floating on it, and around him his family was screaming, praising him, and his bags were offering him scrap and dogfish. He had made his first flight. तो पहिल्यांदा त्या हिरवेगार भूपृष्ठावर उतरला, त्याचे शरीर टेकलं, हळुवारपणे उतरला, त्याची वाहवा होऊ लागली. तो थकला होता, पण त्याने उंच भरारी घेतली होती. त्याला मासे भरू लागली. त्याला खूप आवडायचा डॉगफिश. त्याला डॉगफिशची मस्ती त्याला खायला मिळाली. अशा पद्धतीनं यानं सीगुल या समुद्र पक्षानं त्याची आपली पहिली भरारी घेतली. आणि त्यानं तो आनंद घेतला पहिल्या भरारीचा. म्हणजे अशा पद्धतीनं त्याने ती भरारी घेतली आणि तो त्याची पहिली भरारी झेप यशस्वी ठरली. त्याला आत्मविश्वास नव्हता, पण त्याचा आत्मविश्वास वाढला. त्याची भावंड पण त्याला खूप शाबासकी देत होती, आई वडील शाबासकी देत होती. अशी त्याने ती भरारी घेतली. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.